Team Prime. Here we go, guys. Welcome back. It's going to be the first day of the teardown on the cr500 project. This is going to be the entry for the Team Prime bike build off. We got some fresh lights in here to hopefully make the video look a little bit better on the GoPro now. A little bit different angle. I'll go ahead and give you a couple more walkthroughs around the bike. We're going to start tearing things off. Bike down. I'm going to strap on the GoPro. Hopefully the video turns out alright. There's probably be a lot of fast forward. Guys, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this project as we go through the teardown video. Once again, at first glance, this bike probably looks like it's great condition and ready to ride, and it's really not in bad condition for being 30 years old. Currently, we do not have spark, so that's going to be one of our first main issues. This bike has not ran in the last, I'd say, at least 6 years. And last time it was running, the bottom end did seize up, or the motor locked up at some point. I believe it was some issue in the bottom end. The top end is a pretty fresh rebuild, so we should have good piston, cylinder, head, and all that stuff. So we'll split the case and kind of see what kind of mystery lies ahead of us. But while we're there, we definitely are going to be replacing all bearings and seals in the case, as well as recoating the motor and stripping it down to the bare frame and recoating that as well. And for our next video, we'll most likely be moving on to the front and rear rims. I got new rims ordered. They should be here soon. I actually had to have the spokes made for me, custom ordered, because you cannot find them anymore after 30 years. Some parts are just hard to find on some of these old tube strokers. Even on some of the new bikes, after 5 years or so, some parts get discontinued or you just not available to order. right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned in for future videos, and we'll see you next time.